students, welcome to Birla International School and you are watching your school channel Birla Kids. This is workbook of class 5th for mathematics and today we are going to solve worksheet 11. And the very first question is given, fill the blanks using suitable property. So you can see that we have to divide 623 by 623. The answer will be 1. Again the same number is given. On dividing we will get 1. 123 divided by 1. So if we divide any number by 1, we get the same number. So answer will be 123. The same type of properties here. This number should be divided by 1. The answer will be same number 4, 5, 6, 7. This question 0 divided by this number. 0 divided by any number we get 0. Okay students. Again 0 divided by any number. The answer will be 0. See the next question number 2nd. And question number 2nd is divide and find the quotient and remainder. The question is given to divide this number by 37. So you will see that if we divide this number by 37, then how to solve this kind of questions? So let's see how to divide. The number is given 3, 4, 2, 9, 6, 1. And we have to divide this number by 37. So if I divide this number by 37, then first I will divide 342 by 37. This will divide 9 times and I will get 333. Okay students, now subtract these two numbers, you will get 9. Now we have to write next digit here, that is 9. Now if I divide this number by 37, it will divide by 2 times and here will be 74. Continue subtract and we will get 9 minus 4, 5 and 9 minus 7, 2. Now we have to write next digit, that is 6. Now if I divide this number by 37, then it will divide it by 6 times and I will get 222. Now subtract 6 minus 2, 4, 5 minus 2, 3. Now write down the next digit 1. Now divide by 37, it will divide 9 times and you will get 333. On subtracting, you will get 8. Okay students, the division completed. This is quotient and this one is remainder. So we have to write these two answers here in this box. Remainder. Remainder is 8 and this is quotient. Quotient is 9269. Okay students, and similarly you have to divide the remaining questions and you have to write the answers. So I am going to tell you the answers, what will be quotient and what will be remainder. You have to divide as I explained you. So in the second one, on dividing, quotient will be 1, 3, 4, 2, 9 and the remainder will be 39. In the next question C, quotient will be 5593 and the remainder will be 106. In this question, quotient will be 1802 and remainder will be 28. In this question, very easy question, the quotient will be 72 and remainder will be 957. And in the last question, quotient will be 92 and remainder will be 1112. Okay students, so on dividing you have to get these answers and then in this way your worksheet 11 completed. Now you have to write the remaining answers in your worksheet and we will see you again with the solution of next worksheet 12 in the next video. Till then, have a good day.